We're going to have some strong thunderstorms yet again. I mean, we're in the storm season, and it continues today. In fact, this morning we're seeing strong thunderstorms moving on just the other side of the Red River. But I want to point out something. That's along a little boundary, and you see that little activity that died out. That boundary is still there, so we get into the daytime heating, and we could have some strong thunderstorms really later this morning across parts of our northeast counties, like that's Fannin and Lamar counties. But today, threat peaks for the afternoon, evening for most of us, and the large hail damaging winds are continuing to be the main concerns, just like yesterday. So again, the wide view, there's all that activity just north of Paris, but we already seen the strong thunderstorms coming out of the southwest, and this system will be part of our forecast later this morning and across the afternoon. There's the I-20 corridor. We think all that activity will kind of be in this area, so Erath County all the way down to Corsicana. We're going to have to watch these thunderstorms for damaging winds and large hail. That's sort of like the first threat. For most of us, it's just another warm, muggy day. We're going to have a lot of cloud cover, and temperatures will only reach into the mid-80s. And notice how the storm chances pick up as we get later into the day, into the evening hours. And that's because of this, the dry line. Damaging wind, large hail, even isolated tornadoes are possible along the dry line, and all that will get pushed towards us end of day and into the evening. So I need you to stay weather alert for these thunderstorms because they're also going to be very powerful. Now, we talked about this earlier. We're again in that hatched mark, and what that means, the hail could be 2 inches or larger, the hail that comes in with these thunderstorms. The tornado risk is smaller today than it was yesterday, but it's not zero. It's along those dry line thunderstorms, and that's one of the reasons we're going to be watching very carefully as we cross the afternoon and evening. Now, Futurecast shows that dry line really kind of firing up, so we're going to have to keep an eye on, especially across the northern tier. Let's get to the 7-day forecast, because we do have thunderstorms, strong thunderstorms in the forecast for the afternoon on Friday and Saturday. It's just only about a 20% chance. Meanwhile, temperatures will be into the 90s, and we are expecting that we'll have temperatures in the mid-90s by Sunday. By the way, next week, unsettled weather starts to show up by midweek.